Searching for homes in Hillcrest has never been easier. Just visit houserebate.com. You can find Hillcrest in the drop-down menu here. At houserebate.com, you can customize your search to find your dream home. When you click on the search button, you will see the links of properties with pictures and property information. Just pick the home you like, and you can see all the details. It's that easy. We provide complete multiple listing service information including addresses, remarks, school and community information, and prices of homes that have sold. You can also request email updates of new listings that match your search criteria. This is the best home search tool in San Diego, and it's all free. Visit houserebate.com today to see the entire list of homes for sale in San Diego County. Don't forget to take a look at our foreclosure search to see all of the San Diego foreclosure homes. At houserebate.com, you receive a 33% cash rebate of their commission. That can amount to $6,000 on a $600,000 home. HouseRebate.com has given back over $1 million of their commissions in rebates to their clients. Click on the link in the description to visit HouseRebate.com today or call 888-836-5675 for more information.